Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel Blushing Papers and thank you so much for watching my videos. And this one is the part 3 and the final part of Navratri special video, which basically focuses over the portrait of goddess Durga. In first part I have covered all tips and tricks regarding the skin part, like where you have to give the lighter shade, where you have to give the darker shade. And in the part 2 I have covered the eye area, the eyebrows, the eyeliners and all. And this is the part 3 in which I'll cover the hair part and the jewelry part. So let's get started. What we are waiting for? Before getting started, I wanna wish every of my viewers again a very happy Navratri and may Goddess Durga bless every one of us. Let's get started with our hair part and the jewelry part. Enjoy the process, folks. So firstly, I'll start with the bindi of Goddess Durga. And for that, I have chosen the red color. Now I'm gonna give some blush to the cheek, so in form of tattoo basically. So I'm choosing here the maroon color and titanium white for this. If you wanna give the blush in just the shadowy form, shade form, then you can give. This is completely optional. Because I wanna give the painting more vibrancy, I'm choosing the red color for lips. Grabbing my detailer brush, I have first made outline of lips with red color, and in between I'm filling with lighter shade of red, mixing some titanium white with red. I'm focusing over the liner part just because to give the more highlight to the lips. To give it little darker shape and more vibrancy, I have chosen the 2 layers of this. For giving an outline to the nose, I have chosen the maroon color for the nose. Now coming to the jewelry part, I'm starting with the nose pins. And for that I have chosen the golden color. Basically it's not metallic color, I have chosen just the normal watercolor of golden color. For giving more ethnic look, I have chosen this. The few patterns I'm changing in some patterns of the jewelry just to give more ethnic look. So coming to Mangtika part, I have made some patterns. Now this Mangtika is something which is worn by the Indian women on their forehead. Here I am leaving the middle line. In that I'll fill the black color just to make it look like that it has the hair part. The same thing goes on the different side as well. Coming to the hair part, I have just simply chosen the ivory black. I'm not giving the strokes of the hair lining just because it's the traditional or ethnic type, so that's why I'm not giving the strokes of the hairs. Simply coloring with ivory black will also go and it will look decent. That's why I had choose this. Now here you need to be attentive just because you have drawn some jewelry parts, so your attention here should be greater because the jewelry part includes much tiny strokes in between them. Now here near the forehead part and the face part, I'll show some strokes of hairs just to make it more realistic. Be careful near the jewelry area because there are many thin strokes of the patterns of the jewelry which might get spoiled and can't be retained. So be attentive and careful. For the remaining background, I'm choosing the royal blue shade for giving it more vibrant look of the background. Coming to the earpiece, I have choose the different colors to make it more vibrant, and the stones I have chosen is of different color, and the whole jewelry will be with the golden color only. Now the body of the earpiece, I'll cover it with the golden color. Only I have made the stones colorful to give it the vibrancy. Now finishing this, I am coming to the details. Here I am choosing the neck part with the skin color, and how the chota sa part is going with ivory black. To give more ethnic look to my painting, I am choosing maroon color for the upper part of forehead. In Indian culture, it is very famous thing to do. That's it with my painting, and it's the final look. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification to get the updates of every new videos, and comment down below what you want next. How do you like this painting, the series? And thank you.